I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select Tutor LMS for the trigger. Select a task. And select a course as you want. Then click Next. Now here search and select rapidmail. Here, give the meaningful integration name as you want. To get username and password, open your rapidmail and click on Profile. Then click API. Click Add a new API user. Here give the description. Click on Save. Here is the username and password. Now copy the username and password and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization successful. Click Next. Select Recipient List from the drop-down. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition must, then the data you will send to rapidmail. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now also check your rapidmail recipient. Here is the data that came into rapidmail through the integration. Thanks for watching.